How to do blur text background transition with keyframes in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to blur it and show a text on top of it with animation. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text into Timeline. With the text selected, open up Inspector panel and in the Title tab, change text properties to your liking. After that, move the playhead to the start of the text, click on Settings tab and scroll down to see Composite options. Click on diamond button next to Opacity, and set it to 0 to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and click on this diamond button to see the keyframes. Set opacity to 100, this will create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to near the end and click on diamond button to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead to the end and set opacity to 0. And now we have this text fade in and out transition, and it's time to blur the background. Move the text to the above track. Click on Effects and drag an adjustment clip below the text and adjust its duration to match the text. Then click on Open FX and drag a Gaussian blur into the adjustment clip. Click again on diamond button at the bottom of the text to see its keyframes. Move the playhead to the start of adjustment clip. With the adjustment clip selected, go to Inspector and click on Effects tab. Set blur to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the next keyframe and set blur to 0.5. Move the playhead to the next keyframe and click on diamond button. Move the playhead to the last keyframe and set blur to 0. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.